life gets heavy, I know it's true.
Beautiful babes, today's video is all about collagen peptides. We'll actually be creating our very own, yes, our very own homemade collagen peptide mask. It's a very moisturizing mask. We all know that collagen actually depletes with age, usually starting in our 20s. Oh my gosh, our 20s, can you believe that? So quite naturally, the earlier we start a collagen skincare routine, the better. You probably know that collagen is a miracle skin treatment, giving your skin a younger, healthier look by minimizing fine lines and firming the skin. But what you probably didn't know is that you can create your very own collagen mask right at home. This all-natural DIY face mask recipe that I'm going to show you today can help boost your skin's collagen producing abilities. And most of these items that's included in this mask you probably already have in your kitchen. So you more than likely can try this out tonight and refrigerate any leftovers to use within a week. So let me tell you exactly what I have in this mask. Well, this mask actually contains red grapes. Red grapes contain a chemical called resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant that helps boost the production of collagen, combined with moisturizing olive oil and grapeseed oil. This mask will leave your skin feeling smooth yet firm. Olive oil is known to moisturize and hydrate your skin, and it fights bacteria. Many of grapeseed oil's beauty benefits is due to its high vitamin E and omega-6 fatty acid content. Vitamin E helps to battle free radicals. And then we have honey. Honey is a humectant which helps your skin absorb and retain moisture, which keeps it from drying out. Honey is packed with natural antioxidants and antimicrobial properties which help protect, repair, and prevent skin damage. Honey is also quite calming to the skin. While collagen molecules are too large to penetrate the skin, collagen peptides are small enough to penetrate the skin, and when applied topically, they signal the skin to repair itself. In response to these signals, your skin may boost its production of collagen peptides. Let's mix it up. We're going to take 5 red grapes roughly, okay? And then we're going to take 2 teaspoons. You can either use olive oil or grapeseed oil. As for me and my recipe, I am going to use 1 teaspoon of olive oil and 1 teaspoon of grapeseed oil. I'll be using 1 tablespoon of organic honey. And then finally, 1 teaspoon of collagen peptides. Now the ingredients that I'm using, the majority of them you'll find in the description box. Now I do have affiliate links associated with the items I do have listed, so I will be paid a small commission. Now to create the mask, all I did was combine the grapes, oil, and the honey in the blender, and then I added in the collagen peptides. Very easy to do. As with any mask or any treatment that you're doing on your face, make sure you start with a clean, exfoliated face. Apply the mask to the face. Also, don't forget your neck and your chest, and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. And then after that, just rinse with warm water. When it comes to boosting collagen levels in your skin, the protein responsible for skin elasticity. Incorporating this collagen face mask into your regular skincare routine can help your skin appear more youthful and healthier. Indeed, it does, beautiful babes. And there you go. An amazing mask to try tonight. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Please, if you enjoyed today's video, drop a like on it and make sure, if you don't have anything to say, drop me some hearts down in the comment section. Let me know you have arrived. Please make sure, if you have not subscribed to the channel, now's a good time to do it. Subscribe, hit the post notification bell, and beautiful babes, do not keep me a secret. Please share me with your world, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.
So keep on pushing, don't give in. Through the darkness, light